Good morning! We are in the city of Toyota. Ang ganda ng araw, no? So, we're at the intersection of this place where we have our hotel here, Sangco Inn, Toyota. We stayed here overnight. And maganda yung araw ngayon, no? So far, very nice place. Intersection. We're in an intersection. We are planning to go to the Toyota Museum. We had dinner dyan kagabi, no? That resto. Yan, Toyota. We have covered 1,500 kilometers of driving, going from Osaka to Tokyo, then Tokyo going back to Osaka. Very wide yung pedestrian here in Japan. They drive on the left side of the highway, you know. So this is my third, no, cross country driving here in Japan. May spa pala dito. Ooh. Mga old houses din dito, no? You observe. So this place is the birthplace of the famous Toyota. No, originally yata Toyota, then naging Toyota. Very chill yung place. Docomo is their parang telecommunications. Balik tayo sa hotel, huh? Or checking out na kasi, just to have a feel of sobrang lamig. Kahit na may araw, malamig. I think below 5 degrees pa rin yung temperature here. Ito, yung mga kahoy, wala ng dahon. Going autumn na ba? Tingnan natin. Let us check. We are parked here. Dito na area. Andyan yung Toyota vaccine natin. Side. Let us see. Yan.